In this short video today, I'm going to show you headlamp restoration. What happens is the plastic cover on these degrades over time, and so it gets cloudy. That affects the light output. So let's go ahead and get started on this. Now the kit we're going to use has better results than the ones you'd buy in the store that are very inexpensive. They come with just a few polishing discs. And we're going to start with a 500 grit disc. That'll totally remove all of that top coating on the headlamp. Then go down to an 800, a 1000, 3000, and then finish it up with a polishing compound and a rubbing compound. Now we're down to the next one, 800. So now we're down to the 1000. And these here are called Trizac sanding discs. They're like a foam pad. So we'll move over to the polisher and use a rubbing compound. Well, I hope you enjoyed that short video and that it was informative and that you like the end result here. This van needs a wash now.